In front of me is DOOGEE X95, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing on this DOOGEE. First of all, you need to access your keyboard. If microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner of it, click on this gear one, select voice typing, and tap on this gray switcher next to use voice typing in order to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on the microphone icon to create your message. When you're ready, tap on the same one. As you can see, after that, my message was successfully created thanks to voice typing. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!